Everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Well, guys, I'm back again with Mzansi Super Stories, and namhlanje guys sikhuluma nge-Genesis. Niyazi mangabe ku Sunday or weekend siyasin update ukuthi yini ongaso expect emidlalweni yenu ke enithandayo. Namhlanje sikhuluma nge-Genesis, guys, and i-Genesis iyaphela not this week, the other week. I think izophela on the 17th of April 2026. So guys, abantu we have been complaining ukuthi babhoreka baphele uma ngabe njalo uGabriel ezohleze ewina in the storyline. Kusho ukuthi guys uyena ke i-main character kahle kahle uGabriel. Ngizokhumbula ukuthi uMaruna uhambile wayeGhana, and mayifike eGhana uthi ke uzosebenza phela njengoba kade bemthembisile. The other friend kaBonko uyamtshela ukuthi ke do you know ukuthi inkampani la kuyosebenza khona uMaruna owner uma wakho. So uBonko started like raising eyebrows ukuthi hayibo uma uhlangana kanjani nenkampani ke eqasheke uMaruna. Kuhamba isikhathi ke bese uGabriel guys ayithola information yokuthi uMaruna useGhana. So guys, niyamazi uGabriel ukuthi he's always linking Genesis nama drugs. Wafonela eGhana wabatshela ukuthi kunosisi oyi drug Ntontoni, she's one of the big cartel in South Africa, so they must check him. So guys, uMaruna is arrested in Ghana, and it's gonna be very difficult for uBonko ukuthi ambuyise ekhaya. But guys, uBonko will try by all means, and uma wakhe ke akamsupport kuloko. On the other side, Gabriel saying, if you can give me a chance, mina ngambuyisa uMaruna abuyele South Africa. So asazi guys ukuthi ke how will the story unfold. uMaruna is arrested, usejele, selokhu yaqala nkosi yami le season, selokhu yaqala nje iGenesis uMaruna uyagowa, akukho nje ukuphumula kuyena. Asazi guys ukuthi ke uBonko will ever forgive uma wakhe for lento ke ayenzile guys. uMaruna guys, she deserves better bakithi. Uyathanda zayazi uMaruna, but into zakhe nje nkosami, they always going south njalo nje. So yeah guys, this is what you can expect kuleli viki. Ushubile idrama iningi kakhulu. That brings us to the end of this video. Leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.